Hi everybody, today we're looking at Maven Filters. I'm not quite sure how to pronounce it, but yeah, the kind people over there did send me a package with this kit and two step-up rings. I'm using a 72mm lens right here. This is already the step-up ring that I attached here, and for some other lenses I use a 77mm. So the package came with these step-up rings. They're magnetic. Let me show you the back side. I think it's Maven, that's how you pronounce it, but I'm not sure. It's a company from the USA. I have to say that the boxes and everything look kind of nice. Like, looks pretty good. I had this ring in my hands for a little bit. Felt quite nice as well. Sturdy, metallic. But let's get to this main box with filters in 82mm size. It opens up really nicely actually, and you get greeted with this thank you message. I always like it when companies do that. Yeah, nice picture of Iceland here, really nice. And on the back it gives you a quick start guide, but I guess it's quite straightforward here. So let's see what we have. This here is a magnetic ring, 82mm. I think this one goes on here. Yeah, and then this is another one. This seems to be is it a polarizer? No, it's a lens cap. Let's open it up. Let's see what we have. Yeah, this is like a lens cap. You see? There it goes. It snaps to the camera, to the filter quite nicely. All right, so that is a cap, and here is a box, a circular box, plastic thing with the filters in it. This is a very nice way to package filters. This can go into your camera bag quite nicely like this. This is their logo again. Yep. So let's put this box to the side and let's look at these filters. Let's see how this opens up. I think like this, yeah. Okay, what do we have here? This is filter number 1. This is a magnetic polarizer. See, and the beauty of this system is it will just snap to this, and you can twist and turn and use your polarizer. It feels really good, actually. This is a very nice fit. And I guess the same goes for all other lenses or filters as well. Let's see what we have. They're really snug, actually. I like that. It gives you some trust when you're out in the field, you know. This is a, here it is, a 3-stop ND filter for your, you know. And let's all lay them out here. This is a 6-stop, and this, so I think it goes from 3 up to, let's see what's inside this box. This one is a 10-stop filter. That's really nice. I tend to use them every now and then. And this is I think it's a UV filter. Yeah, splash guard, kind of like a UV filter that you can use in front of all the lenses, or all of the, I keep saying lenses, I'm sorry, that you can use on top of your filters to protect them. Or if you're shooting without filters, you can protect your lens from getting dirty and muddy and whatever by just sticking this on there. And yeah, really nice. I like how these attach like that. You can put them away like this. Put the lens cap on here again. This is a first a quick first look on these filters. I'll be taking them out into nature soon, trying to do a few sessions with them and tell you a little bit more about them. But so far so good. Really nice first impression. The box also came with a little book that is, you know, full of products, a little bit of the story behind the company. I found this page to be really helpful. There was like this one, like a filter legend. You can see what is what in colors. So I have a couple of these now, and the polarizer, the clear glass one. This explains your type of filters really nicely. Yeah, this is cool. So expect to see a few more posts on my Instagram and videos on YouTube of me trying out this system and yeah, doing a bit of a review and some content footage of these nice products. And yeah, look forward to shoot with them. That's it for now. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.